we're gonna go to the air handler, check the amp draw. We have 42.3 amps. I'm checking the heat on my main high voltage wire, which is about 40 amps just for the heater, which is equal to a 10 kilowatt heater. 0.5 amps. So I'm gonna go ahead now and check the actual amps draw from this blower motor. On this case, we have 1.5 amps, which is the amps that this motor is drawing when it's working. Now that I know the heater is working the way it should be, the blower is working the way it should be, I'm gonna shut off the safety switch and make sure that it's shutting the unit. I got a max of 22.8 on my compressor. My actual amp draws are 15 amps, and on my condenser fan motor I got 2.8 when I got 1.9 amps. We got 15 amps on the compressor. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for using West's Air Conditioning and Heating.